Hi guys, welcome to your channel InfiniTech. Today we are delving into the fascinating realm of gadgets, exploring a feature-packed smartphone and a set of sleek high-tech AirBuds. So buckle up and let's dive into the details. At first, we have the BL8000 smartphone. Let's kick things off with a smartphone's display. A dazzling 6.78-inch screen supporting a vibrant Full HD Plus resolution, boasting a 120Hz refresh rate and a crisp 2.4K resolution. It delivers a flawless visual experience, making even the simplest tasks a joy. Protected by Corning Gorilla Glass 5. This display might not have Victus, but Gorilla Glass 5 is still top-notch and reliable. Now on to the hardware. The MediaTek Dimensity 7050 octa-core chipset powers this device, excelling not only in battery efficiency but also delivering a commendable gaming performance. Paired with an exceptional display, it ensures an immersive gaming experience. With 5G support, this device secures a positive score. The phone features 512GB of UFS 3.1 internal storage and 12GB of RAM, offering ample space for daily use and data storage. The standout feature, of course, is the massive 8800 mAh battery, paired with 33W fast charging. It ensures prolonged usage, though reaching 100% may take a bit of time. Running on DokeOS 4 based on Android 13, this phone is open to future updates, potentially evolving into a standalone OS. Additional perks include dual-band Wi-Fi 6 support and a remarkable operating range from under 40 to plus 80 degrees Celsius, making it resilient in various conditions. Glove mode 2 adds to the practicality, enhancing touch sensitivity. The main camera, with a 50-megapixel Samsung's ISOCELL Gen 5 sensor, provides ultra-fast autofocus, capturing special moments with clarity. It supports 4K video recording, including a beauty mode for those aesthetically pleasing shots. Pricing-wise, the regular cost is $459.98, but the launch price is an attractive $229.99, offering excellent value for its features. Now let's shift our focus to the Blackview AirBuds 8, a true gem in the world of wireless AirBuds. The LED display on the case indicates the AirBuds battery status, showcasing a sleek and unique design. With ergonomic design, these AirBuds prioritize comfort, making them ideal for all-day use, even during workouts. Featuring noise cancellation, these AirBuds excel in delivering high-quality calls, even in bustling environments. A smart touch control adds a convenient touch, allowing easy control of music playback without reaching for your phone. Equipped with 13mm dynamic drivers, these AirBuds provide rich bass for an enhanced music experience. Supporting Bluetooth 5.3, they ensure a stable connection. Moreover, these AirBuds are IPX7 rated, capable of surviving submersion in up to 1 meter of water for 30 minutes. And now the exciting part, pricing. With a regular price of $66.63 and a launch price of $19.99, these AirBuds offer exceptional quality at an unbeatable price. In general, if you're looking for a phone with a high battery capacity, high quality camera and a smooth display, at this price point I really suggest the Blackview BL8000 to you. And if you're looking for comfortable, stylish and high quality AirBuds, the Blackview AirBuds 8 is a good choice for you. There you have it, folks, a tech-packed journey through a powerhouse smartphone BL8000 and the stylish AirBuds 8. Which one caught your eye? Let me know in the comments below, and don't forget to hit like, share, and don't forget to subscribe.